Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.7% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes ended higher, with the S&P 500 scoring a record high, as a surge in Micron Technology shares and a solid US jobless claims report eased concerns about the labor market. Web3 cybersecurity company Cyvers has found that losses to hacks and scams have skyrocketed in the cryptocurrency ecosystem in 2024. Losses in the first 3 quarters of the year have reached an all-time high of $2.1 billion and already exceeded the total losses in 2023. The dollar weakened in choppy trading after a boost from healthy US economic data faded, while the Swiss franc rose after the country's central bank cut interest rates by 25 basis points.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US personal spending will be released at 12:30 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT, the US personal income at 12:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, Spain's gross domestic product at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.